evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. Has a shot! That is decidedly lacking.
Well, it was hit with great power, Peter, but sadly not great precision.
Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal? Well, there's the hit! Well, now it's a race for the ball. And in again! It's there! The breakthrough strike! And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Look, that's one of the first things you learn, whether you're a striker or not. Just anticipate a goalkeeping parry or spillage, and sometimes you'll get lucky and it'll come your way.
Indonesia gain their reward with an early goal. And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. 1-0 the score. Indonesia are seeing a lot of the ball and have a 1-0 lead to show for it. He's tried one! Just off target.
His reputation is better than what we've just seen.
Endo. Here's Minamido. One in. He's got the shot away! And for a moment, time stood still. Wants to play it back.
He was berating his defence before making the save, and he's at it again now.
It's gone out for a throw-in.
It looks very much like they'd be happy to settle for this narrow lead at the break.
Skillfully cut out. He is so at ease on the ball. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
That's gone loose. No complaints about that challenge. Robust, but fair. That's a shade optimistic. Now the finish! Quick to recover this. Gets into some space.
Okay, it didn't quite come off.
And that'll be the last act of the first. first half. So the end of the first half, both teams have had their moments. There's been no shortage of talking points, but there has been just one goal, and that is the state of it at the break. 1-0. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Indonesia deserve to be ahead and probably should be in front by more considering the amount of chances they've managed. Everything points to...
There's the shot! He's got a goal! And this is getting better and better.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
After 48 minutes,
Indonesia take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
We're looking at a very different game now. The command has been established.
Bawaan. Oh, it's come loose. Interesting ball. Real chance! Yes! And they are pulling clear here.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
after 56 minutes, number 18.
A case now of complete control.
And things are much healthier in their favour. Mind you, you would have thought that when the last one went in.
Lovely feet. 3-0 the score, and very little to suggest that much is going to change. There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through.
The attendance
Chance here to counter. Gets his pass away. He's picked his way through. Endo.
Just as I thought, Peter, it looks like this is a side that's setting themselves up for a counter-attack.
Yeah, stand by for the early ball, the big one over the top.
Yeah, and those that are up top, Peter, have to be willing to chase. And of course, those in midfield have to be ready now to recycle.
And they have got just the right players for that. He's got plenty of space out wide here. Tries a shot! That is certainly not what he had in mind.
Well, he did get himself into a good position. Something for him to cling to.
Substitution.
Japan can now introduce the first of their substitutes.
Well, I think he'll undoubtedly add more movement and fluidity in the final third with his passing range.
Well, that was a period of possession which carried just about no threat at all. It's over. Kubo. And they're quick to get it back. Now Mitoma. They're trying everything to subdue him here.
Yeah, they're certainly getting much tighter to him now. At least the message was received.
He's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. That's a sweet ball that. And can he finish it? In for the pieces! It's in! Players ecstatic, fans delirious. This is utopian. Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done to the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
And that means just one thing, match ball.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch and devastating in front of goal. What a display, what a player.
It's become a case of men against boys. Kubo, excellent challenge there, uncompromising. And there goes the final whistle. So a real showpiece win. This lot was simply far too clever for their opponents, and despite their best endeavours, it has ended in an easy